Hi everyone, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you a super delicious dessert. I'm going to make strawberry pudding in a beautiful and simple way. So let's get started with the ingredients. First we need milk, strawberry, sugar, corn flour and flour. We need veggie gel and veggie gelatin, and also we need vanilla. And let's get started. So first step, what I'm going to do, I have like 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to mix the gelatin with it. Okay, and mix it very good and then leave it separately. So I'm going to make 2 layers. The first layer, creamy pudding, and the second one, the strawberry. Okay, mix it until you make sure everything is dissolved, the gelatin dissolved. Alright, leave this one. Okay, and here we go. For the strawberry sauce, what I'm going to do, I have strawberry here. I'm going to take off this and then chop them into small pieces. Okay, here we go. So now on these strawberries, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, I'm going to add like 1/2 cup of water, and then I'm going to put them on high heat, but not now. I'm just going to leave those here now. Okay, so now I'm going to start preparing the pudding, the cream pudding. I'm going to put here 1/2 liter of milk, and I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. You can use the extra. And I'm going to mix them very good. Okay, so on high heat I'm going to carry on mixing the ingredients until the mixture getting thicker, and that will take probably like 5 minutes. Okay, so while I'm mixing this stuff, so here I have the strawberry. I'm going to put them here on medium heat, on high heat, sorry, and just turn on the cooker. Okay, mix them a little bit and then cook them for about 5 minutes on high heat. Okay, so I need to keep mixing these. And here we have the gelatin. Also, I'm going to turn on the cooker and then boil them a little bit for about 2 minutes. Okay, so here we have the pudding. It's nearly to be ready, and we have the strawberry on high heat. So I'm going to boil the strawberry for about 5 minutes, and here I have the gelatin. So turn off this cooker and move the strawberry here. So I'm going to cook them for about 5 minutes until the strawberry cooked, and until it becomes soft and a little bit mushy. And these I'm going to leave them 2 minutes until they become thick as well. And at the end I'm going to pour the gelatin here just to make the sauce thick. Okay, so here we go. I just put the mixture here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this tray in the fridge for about 15 minutes while I'm preparing the strawberry sauce, and then I'm going to leave the strawberry sauce to cool down a little bit and then see you after that. Okay, so the strawberry need about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to turn off the cooker on the gelatin. Look at the gelatin. Now they're ready. Okay, so I'm going to put them here and then wait a little bit for the strawberry to be ready, and then pour the gelatin and then leave the sauce to cool down, and then pour it on top of the creamy pudding, the white one. Okay, the strawberry is ready. Now I'm going to pour the gelatin on them and then mix them very good, and then wait a little bit until the mixture becomes thicker. That smells so yummy. Okay guys, so now I'm going to turn off the cooker, and when the mixture is ready I'm going to leave it like 5 minutes to cool down, and then I'm going to pour it on top of the first layer. Okay, so now before putting the strawberries, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some biscuits like so, and then pour the strawberry sauce on them. Whoa. Okay, here we go. And now pour the mixture here. Okay, smooth the top. Okay. Now I'm going to put the tray in, put the baking tray in the fridge for about 1 hour or 2 hours if you can, but 1 hour because it's small, and then I'm going to show you the final result. Alright guys, oops, after 2 hours in the fridge, you can double the amount if you like and make it bigger. Oh, this looks so yummy. Wow. Okay, let me take piece or slice. All right. Wow. Also, if you don't want to serve it like this, you can just make it as, you can just serve it in glasses, so each one can pick one. I'm going to put cream on top. Wow. Woo! That looks so yummy, guys. Oh, let me taste it. Wow. All of it tastes delicious. with the biscuits. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I hope you can try it with this whipped cream. These are ready cream. Wow. Oh my goodness, tastes delicious, and I hope you like it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you like the recipe. Thanks so much. I'm going to list down the ingredients down in the description box if you want to give it a try, and I'm sure that you will like it. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.